Hey guys, Nick Buki here with the Fireworks Superstore in Hannibal, Missouri. And yes, I got called out for it yesterday. I have a little bit of a cold, so I apologize for the raspy voice. But we are going to be going through aisles 23 and aisles 24, primarily made up of Dominator and Top Gun. But then we also have their additional brands: Maddox, Iron Man, Pyro Pact, Machine Made. So you'll see that. So I'm going to start on this side here, and then I'll just bring you back around. The really nice thing about Dominator fireworks, if you haven't shot them, they're real good about having effect cakes. So if you're looking for a ghost shell or a Maltese ring or something like that, they make it pretty darn easy to find. But we'll start right out here with Mad Oxus Trumptastic, 25 shotter, $40. Get into Dominator Pro level 500 grams, so you'll see the ghost shells there. Very cool effect. Magnus has a cool little NOAB 2-incher called Respawn that does that effect as well, but pretty cool. So here we've got Cody B and Dominator collaboration, Positive Pyro, $50 there. As I mentioned, if you're looking for a specific effect, we've got the Maltese ring here, $50 there. Then we get into Dominator Refuse to Lose. We got Maddox Supernova. We've got the Dominator Pro level Nishiki Crown Chimera, just a few of those at the moment. We got Dominator Color Waves. Dominator 192 proof, so very big cake. We have Bark at the Moon by Maddox. Back in Black by Maddox Fireworks. Love Gun by Maddox. Got Viper by Dominator. So I jump back up here and give you an idea of price. This one, $35 or $36. We have T-Rex by Maddox Fireworks. The last one on this little section here is Dominator 119 shot, another big one, touch of gold. So you can see here, let's see, $100 on that. We are going to cross over here, a little section. We've got Inked Pyro Tramp Stamp. We've got Maddox Fireworks Velociraptor, $30. We got Pyro Packed 100. We are truly packed with it. We have Dominator's Haunted Fish. It's a big cake, 38 shots, $60 on that. Get into a staff favorite. This is actually Iron Man and Top Gun stuff towards this end. So In Your Face, 42 shotter by Iron Man, $45. Staff favorite there for us. We've got Machine Made Red Fang. So $20 cake. Singularity by Iron Man. It's a $30 cake. We got Ridiculously Awesome. Bunch of these by Top Gun. It's $25. Then we get into kind of a newer for us, fun cake. Did you hear that? It has the Hummers. So $23 on that cake by Maddox. Did you hear that? So that's a fun one. I'm going to spin around here. Currently, that is our last three Dominator high risers. So we have those sitting there. We have Iron Man Double Barrel. Then we get in here to Long Load 54 shots. This is a long cake, too. If you haven't ever seen this one, 54 shotter, $45. Cool cake. We got a staff favorite down here on Top Gun's Absolute Justice. We got Psycho Cloud by Iron Man. So a good amount of those in stock. We got Night Howler by Top Gun. It's another $25 cake. We got Neon Demon. Good amount of those. We have Top Gun's The Crowning of Champions. So getting a little low on top, but quite a few down low. We have Iron Man's Chain Reaction. Another real long cake in length. Then we go over to a long cake in duration. We got the 3-Minute Monster by Pyro Hero, or Hero Pyro, excuse me. That's an 82 shotter, $60. We got Jacked Up by Dominator. Get into a staff favorite here and something fun to help celebrate the country's 250th anniversary. We got the Nishiki Freedom here by Dominator Fireworks. Then we get into Dominator's brand Pyro High, and we got Big Bong Theory. Big cake again, 25 shotter angled. That one is $50. We have Dominator's Pro Level 169 Crackle Finale. Excuse me. 169 shots, $52. There for that. We got Pyro High's Nice Grass. It's a $25 cake. Then we're going to cross back over, working our way back towards where we started. We got the 2-Minute Pro Ox in a Box by Maddox. $50. We have And the Crowd Goes Wild. We got the Mammoth series coming up. So we got Star Spangled Mammoth by Dominator, $50. Mammoth Peony, $50 again on that. Then we get into Mammoth Sunring. So again, Dominator does a great job if you're looking for a specific effect. It's usually the first place that I start with customers. Of course, you can find it in other vendors and brands, but Dominator makes it real easy. So Mammoth Red Strobes here. You probably guessed it at this point, $50 on that. Then we get into Mammoth Crackle. Moving on over to Mammoth Brocade. Excuse me. Then we get into Waterfall. So horsetail or waterfall effect. Very fun. Our next one is Purple Storm by Dominator. Again, a $50 cake here. Go over. We've got Dominator Domination, Dominator Pro Level. Again, you can see beautiful mind effects on that one. $50 there. Got a staff favorite here on Dragon by Maddox. That is a 24 shotter. It's a $40 cake. A true OG here in the 500 grams. Watermelon Moonshine by Maddox. It's only a 7-shotter. It's been around. People love it. $25 on Watermelon Moonshine. And then we end aisle 24 with Maddox's large cake, 39 shotter, Chupacabra, and that is $60. Guys, thank you again. I'm sorry. I know I'm raspy today. Trying to work through that. But just wanted to run through aisles 23 and 24. Dominator Fireworks. And as you can see, they sent us this cool banner to get us ready for the 250th celebration of our country's birthday. So just a cool rows again. All these are fun. I forget how fun some of the cakes are until I get in and start doing these. But that's Dominator, Maddox, Iron Man, Top Gun, Pyro High, Machine Made, and Pyro Packed here for us at the Fireworks Superstore in Hannibal, Missouri. Have a wonderful day, guys.